Hello everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, working in my Summer's Bounty journal. Yesterday we did this page here, which is the first page that you'll see in the journal for the first signature, and it was an overlay pocket. So if you look there, that was the pattern of the page, and we didn't lose any, and we got a pocket in there too. So working with the page. So we did that, and at the same time that we cut this pocket right here, we cut the one for the other side, and that's where we are going to work today. Hope everyone is doing well today. I'm not used to the cool weather. Gee, it just goes from one extreme to the next, doesn't it? Complaining about the heat, and now it's cold. I've just got to learn to dress more appropriate. Can't wear flip-flops with no socks and little t-shirts and stuff because I'm generally cold as it is all the time, most of the time. Oh, I was looking, oh, there it is. Looking for my little Tim Hortons maple leaf glue spreader that I picked up the other day. Yeah, so just got to dress a little bit warmer. It is my favorite time of the year, so I shouldn't be complaining, should I? Just have to adjust. Yeah, so these overlay pockets are the greatest. Kandace at Journal Me Crazy has done so many really cool overlay pockets that I absolutely love. Very creative. So we are just gleaning off of her. So here we go. We got the pocket, and we are going to put it right here and just make sure that we line up with the rest of the page. Thin layer of glue. Oops. Whoops. A little bit squiggly. We've got some squiggly lines going on. Okay, so this is Barely Arts glue. I think it's Barely Arts glue. So it gives you a little bit of wiggle time before it really sets. So that is nice. And when I line this up, it looks like I may have to do just a tiny bit of trimming here. Just gonna maybe flip this over, and yeah, I can see the pocket a little bit poking through here. So let's give that a little bit of a trim just right there. And just a teeny weeny bit right, oops, right there. That looks good. All right. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so that's easy peasy. And then from there, I was thinking of putting this red bow. So this came off of the freebie that I just put out the other day. This is one of the pages of the freebie. Here is another page, and then there was another page, and it had that red ribbon on the bottom, and this is part of the rest of the page right here. So I cut out the ribbon because I thought it looked really cute on this pocket right here. So we'll glue that down next. I've already distressed everything, so we should be able to move along quickly. My daughter is getting off work at 5, and then she's coming over for supper. So that's really nice. She has 2 kids and a spouse at home, but we haven't spent any time, just me and her. So she's going to come hang out with me for a little while after work today. And then we are hosting a kind of a bit of a family get together on Saturday at our place, and she'll bring the whole family then after she gets off work. Well, and I babysit my grandson that day too, so she has to come pick him up. So yeah, I thought that looked really cute. So that takes care of that. And then I just took the word strawberry patch out of the word kit, and then I just glued it to a piece of red paper from the kit 2, and backed it just to make it pop a little bit. So I wanted to put that right there. I think we only have 2 videos. That's what I'm hoping for. 2 more videos after this one, and this signature will be done, and then we're going to blast through another signature. Okay, so there we go, strawberry patch. And then we are going to create yet another overlay. Now I'm really getting fancy. See, Candace, I did learn. I've learned some stuff. I'm going to cut the same page into a journal card. I want it to be 7 inches tall by 4.5 inches wide. So I'm just going to set that aside. Grab my paper cutter here. And let's see. 4.5 inches wide is right there, and I don't want to lose the butterfly, so I'm just going to cut on the other side of the butterfly, and then I will trim from there. So what is 4.5 right here? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so we have that. Oops. And then we need 7 inches tall. And I don't want to take too much off of the bottom here, because when the journal card is pushed down all the ways, I want the card to kind of line up here with this again. And so we know that it's only going to be able to come down about that far. So we want to lose at least 1/2 inch on the bottom. At least. So let's start with that. Oops. 1/2 inch. I totally did that weird. But it worked, so I guess that's all that matters. 1/2 inch. I feel like maybe I should do just a tiny bit. Let's see. Yeah, maybe just a tiny bit more. Like we're talking a hair more. Like that. I don't know why I'm cutting it that way. I'm like behaving strangely, cutting it all backwards for some very odd reason. Okay, there we go. And so I want it to be 7 inches tall. So if we go like this, where does that take us to? Right there-ish. So that will work. So there we go. Now we are going to glue that down on this page here from the kit, and that's going to be our backing. So let me flip that over. This doesn't seem square somehow here. Just a sec. Oh no, we're good. It's my eyes that are wonky. Okay, let's flip it over so we don't glue on the wrong side. And we'll get that glued down. Okay, so I have that all distressed, and look at how cool that is. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Ta-da! I mean, one might think it's a little bit boring because you lift the journal card, you expect to see something else, and there it is again. But I like it. So, yeah. And then it's backed with this, of course. So we're going to dress this up a little bit. I am going to put a red tab on it. There's a red tab in the kit, and then I just used my whale tail punch to, do I want it near the top? Or do I want it down a ways? I don't know. How about right there? Yeah, and so I just punched it out with the whale tail punch, which the tab ends up being a bit smaller than the one in the kit. Now I want to use this label, and I want to have it coming off of the page again. And I want to put this label on top. Something like that, I think. Yeah, I'll probably be working on this journey. Well, it is a journey, isn't it? Working on this journal, I should say. Probably until the end of September, if I'm being truthful. But maybe I'll stay up late a couple of nights and get lots done. That's my problem. I go to bed early. And there we go. Love how that looks. Okay. Oh, I wonder what it would look like if we put this label piece on the back. How would it look? Where, oh, if that was the case, I could have just folded it over. Silly me. Yeah, you know, I think I am going to put it there. I like it. I'll line it up with the one on the other side, so it'll be as good as folded over. Ish. Doesn't need to be exact. There. How cool is that? Yes, okay, and then I'll probably later on punch a hole here and put a little grommet and a little charm or something, but I'm happy with that for now. And then we flip it over, and I just have a few little bits here. And there we go. I cut the green off of the border of this 50-cent piece. Oops, where do we want that? Here, there, here. Okay, I like that. And then we're going along. Isn't that pretty? Here, let's do a really quick flip through. So we did that one yesterday. Love this. So pretty. Big hunk of blueberries. This is our next project, I believe. This one flips up. You have all these different tuck spots. And you can see there's the butterfly wing there, and there's the butterfly wing there, and there's the letter B, so it just tucks right up, just like so. I mean, obviously, you're not going to try and line it up every time, but it does line up if you want it to. So it goes just like that. And then I have a couple more pieces left from the kit, from the berry selection of things. And so we could put that there. That brings some of the yellow down here, actually. And then so does this berry tag definition, because it's got the same image. So that actually looks great. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And that's it. Super duper easy, super duper quick. Gives you lots of journaling space though. And we can still see the beautiful image in our journal. And that's that. So on to the next project next time around. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.